Hi, my name is Steve Riddlestone. I'm the head coach of the under-11s at Wellington Park Rugby Club in Northwich in Cheshire, and I'm also the club coaching coordinator. I've been coaching for over 20 years and my son is well past mini and junior rugby. However, that's where the majority of my time has been spent, at various age groups and working with various different squads over the years. A few years back I decided that having gained all that experience, I would go back and start again, presumably because I could do a better job, much better job second time around with a new squad of players. So I picked up an under-7 squad and they're now under-11s. And all I really wanted to say was that Rugby Coach Weekly has been an invaluable resource. I thought I knew quite a lot, but actually learning every week from Rugby Coach Weekly and applying various things to training sessions and to help with other coaches in the squad in order to try and get across the basic skills in a fun way that encourages confidence, and it also encourages individual coaching of players rather than supervising coaching activity. It actually helps to develop the players, and as a result of which all of them are progressing equally through the squad. So whether they're very good players or whether they are struggling to pick up the game, all of them are progressing and all of them are getting coached. The other thing I would like to mention is that Dan quite regularly has articles on the importance of coaching everybody and of not having an A and a B team, and of being aware of the different development of players at different ages, both physically and mentally, and as a result of which I believe he's on exactly the right track. And with my experience, I could wholeheartedly endorse that, because I've seen so many situations where people don't understand this approach to developing a squad of players, particularly from mini rugby through to junior rugby. So I would unreservedly recommend Rugby Coach Weekly to anybody, and I think it's an invaluable resource, and I'm extremely glad that I have come across it and that I use it. I also have bought several of the technical publications, so 50 backs moves, warm-ups and various other publications that come from Dan, and I've also found those to be extremely useful and very, very helpful in developing all of my players. So I wish you well, take it on board and use it. It's really good.